In this video, we'll show you how to create and refresh an eBay token and just ship it. An eBay token is required in order to connect your eBay account with JSI. The token is actually a key that allows JSI to download the order details from your selling platform. Now, your token can expire for a number of reasons. 1. Validation time. Every time you link your JSI account with eBay, a token is created which in fact usually expires within 1 year. 2. Can be cancelled by eBay for security reasons. Sometimes eBay can cancel the token if it detects a security threat. 3. Credential changes. If you change your password on eBay, your token will need to be reset. 4. The Just Ship It token is cancelled directly from eBay. In any case, next we will show you how you can create a new token and just ship it. First, go to Settings Platforms, click on the green Add Platform button, and then add a platform name. This is required in order to easily identify your eBay accounts in case you have multiple ones. After you clicked on Connect eBay Account, you will be redirected to eBay, where you will have to input the correct credentials for the platform you wish to link. After logging in, you will be asked if you agree for JSI to download your orders. You will then be redirected back to JSI, where you will be able to see the token's validation period. Also, your orders should be coming in the next 15 to 25 minutes. Now, if you wish to refresh the token on an existing eBay platform, you will have to follow these steps. First, go to Settings Platforms, click on the platform that needs to be updated, go to Sync Settings and click Connect eBay Account. Again, after logging in, you will be asked if you agree for JSI to download your orders, and you will be redirected back to the Just Ship It, where you will be able to see the token's validation period. Your orders will come in the next 15 to 25 minutes. We recommend you refresh your token if you feel that you have discrepancies in the orders that come into Just Ship It. Thanks for watching. If you require further assistance, please visit our knowledge base section on www.justshipit.co.uk.